not come up on my Garmin truck GPS. So it comes up on my phone. It's the Walmart neighborhoods, a small little Walmart. So I don't like following my phone because it's meant for a car. But the fact that the way to get to the next Walmart is very easy and it's not that far away, I'm gonna follow it for the first time. So I'm gonna follow it. Like I said, I don't like using it because it gets me in trouble, and yeah, I mean this is meant for a car. It's not meant for a truck. So, but like I said, I already looked at it. I'm gonna make this left. Now I could go up straight. I could go up straight and make a left onto that way. But you know what? No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna make this left up here, make a right, and then make another left, and just literally follow that street all the way down. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I got traffic coming on both sides, so I'm gonna wait. And then this wind over here in Palmdale, man, it's crazy. I hate the wind. If there's anything I hate, is the wind. I hate driving in the wind, especially now. Like if I was fully loaded, I wouldn't mind. But the fact that I'm gonna be almost empty going back in this damn wind, sorry about the language, it's just scary. It's just the scariest thing to me. I'd rather drive in snow, but I mean, of course I wouldn't drive in heavy snow. I would pull over, but with this wind, you can't really see it. You know, you don't know where this wind is coming from. All you know is that there is wind, and there's nothing really you can do about it. You just gotta either pull over somewhere safe, hopefully your truck doesn't tip over, or keep on going and just slow down. So that's the only thing I hate. It's a 2-lane. It's only 2 lanes. I mean, I can make it because the center divider is, you know, a little bit back that way, so I'll have plenty of room to make this right. Oh man, I hate the wind. Scariest thing ever, the wind. Alright, so the GoPro died because apparently it was too hot, but I'm literally right here now to this Walmart. It was only about it said 8 minutes, but this literally only took me like 6 minutes. But this wind is so strong. Look at that. Look at these trees, man. It's blowing to the side. That one tilted it over already. Alright, so that's the loading dock right there. I'm trying to see how I'm gonna do this. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to make a U-turn. Turning in right about now. There we go. I set a loading dock right there. Oh, I messed myself up. I had the steering wheel turned to the wrong way. Oh man, what a rookie. There we go. Actually, you know what? Let me just check since I'm stopped. I'm pretty sure there's only one loading dock. Yeah, which is right there. Alright, just making sure. Just gotta make sure. see a yellow line right there. Get as close as possible to that curb. Start cutting it. Bring it around. And too much. I think this one I gotta get my wheels on the line. I think so. I don't know. Some Walmarts are like that, but it looks like this Walmart might be that one. Follow that back. And there we go. Am I even straight? I don't think I am. Move forward a bit. Make sure my trailer's straight at least, you know. Let me get this mirror down. There we go. See the line now, so just line up my trailer on top of that yellow line. We'd be all right. We'd be all right. That's it. Pull forward just a hair. There we go, just like that. All right, I'll be back once I get done unloaded. All right. I'm done getting unloaded. Time to go to Bakersfield. I have to go to the Panama that's literally down the street from my house. But this wind, it still looks like it's, I don't think it's died down, but it's
450 feet ahead. Turn left on Town Center Drive.
It's still pretty busy. So I strapped down the load. That's strapped down because of the rock, and I don't want the pallets to tip over or anything like that.
Turn right on Town Center Drive, then keep right.
This one tells me I'll be there by 3:34. This one tells me I'll be there by 3:55. I'm gonna listen to this one. 3:34 it is.
Now, turn left on Town Center Drive. A new message has arrived.
Hopefully there's no cars coming right here. I mean, they could come, I just don't want them turning. Because there was a store I was leaving, and right as I was leaving, right when I was leaving, a car wanted to come in.
Turn right.
So luckily that car stopped in time, and now he would have hit me.
Turn right. Then turn right.
Turn right at the traffic light.
So turn right here. I don't get how these people in construction are still working. I would think when it's windy they would shut down, but I guess not right now. There we go.
Feet ahead, turn right, then turn right.
West Avenue N.
What is this thing talking
Turn
about?
right, then turn right.
telling you, sometimes, there we go.
2.1 miles.
Now it's telling me to turn right. That one's telling me to turn left. Oh man. I'm just gonna follow this one. This one says it's gonna get me there sooner, so. But I just hope that once I go up this, what is it? I think I'm going up to 138, I believe. Something like that. It's not too bad on the wind. If the wind dies down. Holy shit! My car's flying. Which, I mean, I wouldn't mind the wind if I was fully loaded. Like I'm talking about, like if I had
left on West Avenue N.
If I had like 35,000 pounds in the back, I'd be like, whatever. This wind ain't nothing. But the fact that I'm going towards this wind with, I'm basically almost empty because I only have 6 pallets. So that's basically empty back there. Oh, whatever. I gotta stop crying. Just get this done.
Miles ahead, turn right on West Avenue.
It's not a city though, man. This is. I wish I was born and raised here in Palmdale. Probably it seems expensive. Well, I mean, it's down the Grapevine. Is anything coming south of the Grapevine expensive? I don't know. I know Fresno's pretty cheap. Well, no, because then living up north, up in like Sacramento, San Francisco, that's expensive to live there too. So I don't even know, man. Okay, I need to make a left. Thank you, car. Thank you. Flashing my hazards to tell you thank you.
Turn left at the traffic light.
Okay, sounds good. Oh, some Del Taco sounds bomb right now. Some tacos in general sound good right now. Which actually my wife is actually making tacos today when I get home. Come on, let's go. Stay green. Come on, stay green. Don't be yellow. Stay green.
1.0 mile ahead, turn right on West Avenue.
Continue on West Avenue N.
1.0 mile ahead.
What?
Turn right on 16th Street West.
6.8 miles. Okay. Alright guys. I'll start recording once I get to that Walmart. Looks like it's gonna take me a while until I get onto the freeway. So I'll see you guys when I get there. Well, the Walmart in Bakersfield. You know what I mean. Here at Bakersfield, my Panama. Well, not my Panama. My Walmart store that I live
2 miles
close
ahead,
by.
Turn right on Panama Lane, then turn left.
Turn right at the traffic light.
Now,
then
there
take the first left.
Is a way that I know you can just go up to stop, make a left. I'm gonna see if there's another way that I'm able to take. Yeah, I mean, we'll see if I can take it.
Turn right on Panama Lane, then turn left.
Which there has to be a way because I know there's like Lowe's and stuff. Yeah, see? Maybe I could take that. I kind of don't want to try it. Look at it from here because I was gonna make that left and looking at it, I don't think the trailer will be able to make it. So I'm not even gonna chance it. Not gonna chance it. I'm just gonna take the way that I know, which is right here, make that left, make another left, take it all the way to the back, and then we'll go from there. Which because there's an Aldi right there, an Aldi, I think I'm saying it right, and they have a loading dock. So there, you know, there has to be that left has to be able to be big enough for a truck. Maybe, unless the truck drivers have a smaller trailer, then I mean, of course that makes sense.
Turn left at the traffic light.
450 feet ahead, turn left on Colony Street.
So I'm just gonna take this way. I know how to get there from there. I don't want to chance it because I don't want to go up there and just be stuck in my own city, my own hometown, you know? Yeah, right there with the cars. I mean, it looks like I'd be able to make it. Maybe, I don't know.
Approaching 6225 Colony
Arriving
Street
at
on the left.
6225 Colony Street on the left.
It's fun. These people. I gotta stop cussing, see? I almost cussed, but I didn't. These people, they see a truck and I tell you, man.
Turn right, then
Just
turn
do
right.
some dumb stuff. Take off my seatbelt. So basically here. Turn on my flashers.
0.2 miles ahead, turn right.
I'm already here. What are you talking about? Alright, so I know this Walmart has two loading docks. It's the one to the very right. So this one right here is for like the general merchandise. I gotta go to the grocery one. I've already been there, I think, twice. So yeah. Plus, I go to this Walmart like every week. So not saying I go to the loading dock, but you know, I kind of already know how the streets are, what's meant for a truck. So all that good stuff. All that good stuff. Walmart driver, which Walmart drivers, I was talking to another one, and they make good money, man. They make really good money, and they do exactly what we do, but they drive some Peterbilts, nice Peterbilts. Walmart worker, yeah. Driving a forklift. Oh, is that another driver I have to wait for? I hope it's not. Nope, it's not. Cool. Both the workers here. I mean, I don't mind waiting, but I'm trying to get this over with. Get this over with, get back to DC, pick up another load. Whoa, what happened to that pallet jack? That pallet jack was all messed up, man. Let's see there's any other truck drivers here. What the heck? Some of these trucks just randomly parked here. Shot it, wasn't paying attention. It's alright, we'll correct it right now. No. I wasn't paying attention to the lines, I was actually paying attention to this truck. Alright. As long as you can fix it, right? As long as you can fix it, straighten up, be alright. Basically straight with the loading dog. I can never seem to get that right. Me going to the right, then to the left, I can't get that right. I don't know what it is, but I can't. There we go. Go get unloaded, do my paperwork real quick, and then I'll be back once I'm leaving. I'm done getting unloaded. I'm on my way to the DC now. Now this store isn't really that hard to get out. I literally just gotta follow this way through, all the way through the back, make a right, and then the freeway is literally right here. So that's what I like about this Walmart. It's not that far from the freeway. Watch out, forklift driver. Is anyone coming? No. So I mean, good thing with this store, as soon as I showed up, they literally just unloaded me quick, so that was...
In 1/4 mile, turn right on Panama Lane,
that was a good
then
thing.
take the ramp.
I remember the first
on
time I
right.
went to that store, they took forever just to answer the door. Just to answer the door. Then they took like another 30, 45 minutes just to unload me. And it was only like 4 pallets. Oh, man. But I think now they're starting to get a little bit better. God, look at doing that. That must suck. Doing that ollie dock right there.
Turn right on Panama Lane, then take the ramp
Where's this
on the
person going?
right.
Oh, he was going straight. See, this was the road right here. This left turn right here. Maybe I could have made it. I don't know, but maybe. No, I don't think I would have. I'll just stick with my little entrance that I know of. Oh, what time is it right now? I think it's like 4 o'clock right now. Can't see there's any car. Oh, come on, car. I got this car here waiting. Don't go, car, don't go.
Take the ramp on the right to California 99 North.
This spot right here always gets busy. I don't know what it is. Maybe the Walmart, maybe it's definitely the In and Out. This road, this lane that I go to. Ooh, oh. Good luck, cop. Oh. Look at these. What? Do they not see the cop? Like, they're just like, whatever, I'm gonna take it. Oh, what happened here? Oh, the cops are right here. Oh, they pulled over that guy. Oh, okay. We need 3 cops. Oh, okay. Let's see what happened. What happened? Must have been something serious. Yeah, it looks like a kid, bro. You guys have 4 cop cars for 1 kid? Seriously? Come on. Quit looking at the freaking cops. Oh, did he get hit? I think he got hit. Hit and run? Somebody hit him? I just seen a shoe in the middle of the street. Oh man. I wonder if somebody hit him. It's all bad right there. Alright guys, I will see you guys when I get to the DC. Boys, here at the DC, this truck in front of me, I guess this truck won't start no more. You'll be getting a new truck then. So let's see. It told me A2. A2 is right here. I'm gonna back up this trailer in between 2 trailers, huh? Oh, this is A3. Where's A2 at? I think A2's over here. Oh no, wait, is this A2? What zone is this? Because that's... I'm not sure. Let me go find out. That's A3. This is A2. I'll just park it right here. Oh no, that's not A2. That's A4. A2 must be on the other side there. Come on, yard dogs. A2 has to be on this side. has to be. I always get lost though. You know, I've already been to DC almost what, 2.5 weeks now. Yeah, 8-2. All right, cool. Cool beans. Like an okay spot now. I think so. Check our mirrors, turn all the way to the right. We're straight, turn all the way to the left. So I can see my trailer, there we go. Hello, boy. That pivot. Ooh, boy, look at that shit right there. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Look at that. It's going forward now. Basically now it's just a basic straight back. Make it look pretty. Straighten her out. Just like that. That's good enough for me. Alright guys, that's gonna end today's video. Like always, smash that like button, subscribe, let me know how I did on this backing. I did pretty good, huh? I'm telling you, there's plenty of space here. But not only that, what I told you guys before, work with the space. So like I said, line up your trailer, actually not your trailer, your drive axles into a spot where you're going to be at. Crank it all the way to the right. Now if you don't have the space, when you're turning all the way to the right where you'll be facing those trailers, let's say there's trucks in front of me, then what you can do is you're going to crank it all the way to the right until you're halfway of the space you're working with. Once you're in the middle of it, crank it all the way to the left until you see your landing gear, your passenger landing gear and your driver mirror. Once you see that, just ease it on back slowly, and I know, just go nice and slow. But like I said, that's my setup. It's worked for me so far. I haven't had no problems with it. I just need to get better at it. I think I'm doing okay. So like I said, yeah, it takes, what really helped me out was just being confident on it. That's literally what helped, just being confident, knowing what you're doing. If you need to get out to check, do it. There's no shame in that. Get out and look. You know, I should have got out and look, but I know that I'm so tight on this side that if I'm tight on this side of the trailer, I'm not gonna hit nothing on that side. So I know, I kind of already know what to do. But like I said, if you need to get out and look, do it. Don't be ashamed of getting out and look. Get out and look. I'd rather get out and look than hit something. Then you look more like a fool because you didn't get out and look and you hit something in the process and not getting out. So yeah, you know what, enough of that. Like always, smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.